Affiliate marketing for beginners 2022, 2023 and beyond. This method is going to work forever. This works even if you're a complete beginner, whether you have a website or you don't have a website. It takes a couple of minutes to 30 minutes of your time per day. Completely passive income? Damn, it's a lie. There is nothing called passive income. Wow. This video is going to piss some people off because what we mean by passive income doesn't really exist. Let me give you an example. Go to YouTube and look for passive affiliate income and you will see hundreds and thousands of videos, and all those videos have got thousands of views. I apologize, hundreds of thousands of views, if not millions of views. But go back and look at those channels. Every channel publishes content on regular basis. If they knew about passive income, why are they so active? It's because passive income doesn't mean you don't work and make money, or you work once and make money. Passive income means you love what you do and it's like a game to you. While talking about games, I was browsing Google News today and I found this news: Age of Empires. I don't know about you, but I was a fan of Age of Empires when I was a kid. And it's been 25 years. Right. So I clicked on this link and I came to this website. The content is so big, so long, I got bored. But somehow I reached to the bottom and I found this ad that got my attention. As a Muslim, I don't really look at other women, but Anna Kournikova was my favorite when I was a kid. So I couldn't resist myself and clicked on the link and I ended up on this article. It's not about Anna Kournikova. It's about these 40 celebrities never got married. That's not the most interesting part. We are here to make money, not about celebrities. But when it said, and the reasons why may surprise their fans, I wanted to get surprised. So I kept on looking at the article and I found the next button is far away. Oh yes, there are many ads on this content. Everything is ad. But finally I found the next button and I clicked on the next button, and this made me thinking that I must make this video and tell you about affiliate marketing for beginners while having fun. It cannot be 100% passive, but it can be like games. This is a fun topic and you can make this kind of website using Maven using 3 to 5 minutes of your time. But Mosh, we are here to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, not content or website. Oh yes, let me show you money. So I quickly looked at the analytics of this website and I found this website has 3.5 million monthly visitors or traffic. Well, if you have little experience, then you know that traffic is the currency of internet-based business. How do I know? Look at one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, $133,793.94 in affiliate commissions. And I know one more thing, that we make $1.13 on the average from every click we get from our traffic or visitors. So 3.5 million visitors, potentially making them over $4 to $4.5 million per month. Amazing, right? Now you saw money. Can I show you what they are doing in order to make money? They make simple websites, but you don't need WordPress, hosting server, even domain, and no need any content. You can simply copy this URL just like this and put it on a placeholder on one of my artificial intelligence software, Maven. Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it and start now. Now, after copying this URL and putting it in Maven, in just one click, the whole content will be fetched to your Maven dashboard. Then another click will rewrite the content using artificial intelligence. And then you can edit, add your own ingredients, your own text if you want. The choice is yours. You can add your affiliate link, you can add more image, videos, advertisements if you want. Then in just one click, publish the content, share it with social media from inside dashboard, and boom, get traffic, make money. Again, Maven is free to start. Link is in the description. Start now. You don't need WordPress, no need hosting server, and no need content writing. It takes 3 to 5 minutes of your time to legally hijack any website content. Okay, Mosh, I get it. I will get Maven. But how is this website getting traffic? That's a fair question. Go to the marketing channels and they have two types of traffic: referral and display. Referral traffic are the traffic sent by other websites, and display traffic are the traffic coming from this advertising network called Outbrain. Outbrain is a content sharing network like Google Display Network, etc. If you were interested to learn about about Outbrain pretty easy. Instead of looking for passive affiliate income, look for Outbrain ads on YouTube. And all these awesome videos will show you how to use Outbrain. Most importantly, Outbrain has their own channel. You will find every information you need. These ads are very, very cheap. All you need is simple content, maybe using Maven. But Mosh, what about content idea? Which content do I make? Let me show you one of the shortcuts. Follow the top guys. Like this website. Check what this website is doing. Do exactly the same. But there is another better way. Look at this. On YouTube, if you search celebrities didn't get married or just search with celebrities, you will find crazy topics about celebrities like richest celebrities under 30, Will and James try celebrity product, top 10 celebrities you won't recognize in 2022. All these videos are getting millions of views because they are literally viral videos. People are curious about celebrities. So if you want to go with celebrities, movies, games, go for them. Or look at what Outbrain Network is sharing in their display ads. Pick your favorite niche and start. The most important thing is starting today. Now, Mosh, I'm starting today, right now, using Maven. How do I make money? Now, let's say, for example's sake, you chose celebrity niche. You need affiliate programs to promote products as an affiliate. Go to Google and search with entertainment affiliate programs because celebrities are related to entertainment. Scroll down a little bit and I found this article is great. 198 best entertainment affiliate programs of 2022. 198 is more than enough. Go through these informations, click this join the affiliate program and fill in the information they ask about you. Once you join, they will give you your personal affiliate link that you have to share in your website or your content. And when you drive traffic to that website, the visitors will click your links, will buy from you, and you will earn affiliate commissions like this. If you're looking for free traffic, don't worry about it. Click the link on the card right here or maybe right here on top, and I will also put the link in the description on how to get thousands of clicks to your affiliate links 100% free from Pinterest, from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media walls like Facebook and Twitter walls. Your friends will love you for sharing this information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one. Now watch this video here to learn how to get free traffic to your affiliate marketing website.